for now.
Well, here we are, outside the rugby club. We have a tour inside it from Wales. A bit wank, really. And we're about to give them a boat race, basically. We've got Liam here with us today, who was in the boat race last week. What have you got to say about this boat race, Liam?
It's all about pace. You want to pace yourself. Make sure you don't take it too fast around the corners, because if you do, you're going to run it on your arse.
Do you reckon the Morpeth Club have a good team out there?
I think it's weakened compared to last week's boat race team. There's more people in there. There's definitely some weak links. We've got Simon Manley, Callum Grant, Ben Bell as well. Ben Bell last time I saw him, he had his head in the toilet after one of these bad boys. So basically, oh wait, and we've got Scott behind us. In bed by 8 o'clock, trying to make a...
Pissed already?
You're going too slow.
Make him put his head on it, David.
Go!
I can't down that. As we can see, Ben drilling it with a sacrifice. We are
What is up with the Morpeth team today?
What is up with the Morpeth team today? It looks like they're all dizzy. Dizzy Ross?
He's absolutely down that so far. Oh, we're doing it on Callum Grant, yeah. Callum Grant, he's doing some excellent technique there.
Callum's pulling out the corkscrew moonsault. Oh, he's going down. Oh, I think it's the heat. It's the heat. The heat is having a determining factor. Oh,
Callum was straight to run all day.
We have Callum here, down in the paint stage. We've got Simon Manley here.
Simon here, CBH.
Look at this fast feed.
A really good feed. Used in the air. Oh, it's a perfect running model, perfect technique.
Been working on the FAQ.
You like that? Yeah, you like that?
Oh, he's good. You're down that so far.
So he's been working on the FAQ. Oh, he's down! Go on, Simon!
Who's good? Bring it up. I'm with you this one, because you got the fight.
The honorary Welshman using a rather interesting technique of sticking the paw between his legs and looking at you, sucking out. Oh!
Move back. Oh, sorry.
Move back. Here he comes on shape.
We need 2 more players. If Benny get in there, we need 2 more.
We need 2 more people.
Yeah, Liam, we need another person to lose. Here's one more. Someone else is going to lose.
What more?
Yeah.
Go on, down quick.
I'm through.
Calm down.
Don't need 1 more person there. Someone be doing it?
He's supporting that on record.
He's going to fall out, but he's falls out. Go right, you can't play all day! Oh, still in! Come on! I didn't want to... Get it!